Hello everyone, myself Shivaji Gardem. I am teaching system in mechanical engineering. And this there is first unit, introduction of energy sources and its conversion. In this we are studying different type of the power plants which is used for the formation of the electricity and power generation. So, what is the energy? Capacity to do work is known as a energy. Then, what is the unit of energy? It is the joule. Then, 1 joule is equals to the 1 Newton meter, and 1 watt kilowatt hour is equals to 3600 kilojoule. Then, what is power? A rate of doing work. See the difference in energy and power. Energy is the capacity to do work, and the power is a rate of doing work. And unit of power is Newton meter per second, or joules per second, or watt is the unit of power. Then, which are the forms of energy? There is the thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy, and gravitational energy. This is the forms of energy. The main form of energy are the we have seen, and other than light energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, etc. Then, what is thermal energy? Thermal energy is the energy of system or the substance which is related to temperature. Example, the energy of moving or vibrating molecules. Then next is the chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in a substance which is related to the chemical reaction, usually in the form of heat, that is on burning of solid, liquid or gaseous fuels in presence of air, it produces heat. Then next is the electrical energy. These are the some forms of energy. Now it is very important after the thermal energy. This this is third one is the electrical energy. This is also very important in day to day life. In every moment we are using this electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy which is carried by the moving electrons in an electrical conductor. Then what is the mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is the energy of a system due to its motion. That is the machines use the mechanical energy supplied to do the useful work. Then next is the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy are also called the atomic energy, is the energy trapped inside an atom. This energy can either be produced by the splitting the atom called the fusion process, or by the combining atom called fusion process. We can see this is in the uranium in case of the nuclear power plant. Uranium is the most important material for producing nuclear energy. In India, many nuclear power plant is conducting on the uranium. Then gravitational energy is the held by an object at a height in gravitational field. That is the energy of water flowing down a waterfall, energy stored in a dam or reservoir which is used to run a turbine to produce the hydropower. we have seen that is in hydroelectric power plant. So the reservoir is required. In the reservoir, this energy is stored through the penstock. It is flowing down up to the turbine. Turbine is rotating due to the kinetic energy of the water and pressure energy that is converting into the mechanical energy when turbine is rotating. Then it's coupled to the generator shaft of the turbine shaft. Then it is converted into the electrical energy. These are the forms of energy. So in the today's lecture, we have seen the what is the energy, then what is the power, then which are the forms of energies, and in detail we have discussed what is exactly thermal, chemical, electrical, mechanical, nuclear, and gravitational energy. So in this unit we are discussing about the high grade energy and low grade energy. So high grade energy is the electrical energy and low grade energy is the thermal or heat energy. So this is the form of this or grade of energy. So electrical energy which can be easily converted in all forms of energy, that is electrical can be converted into the heat energy by using an electrical heater. That's why it called high grade energy. Then what is low grade energy? Energy like thermal or heat energy which cannot be completely converted into the work or electrical energy is called low grade form of energy. So getting all of you what we have discussed today in the case of forms of energy. Thank you.